When the build is complete, most of the project team's already going to know how the solution works quite well because they've been hands-on all throughout. But there's a lot of other users most of the time who have not been involved in the project or have only been minimally involved in the project who need to know how to do their jobs in the new CRM. We will help you with creating training materials that are specific to your org. Those training materials come usually in one of two forms. Either PDF documents with screenshots and text that walk users step by step through how to do their job, or videos, where we record short 2 to 3 minute videos that walk through each key use case and show the users how to interact with the system. Salesforce has already produced massive amounts of free training materials that are already available to you and your team. So we will likely recommend certain trail mixes from Trailhead, Salesforce's free learning site, and allow you to take advantage of those free resources for the more generic training aspects of maybe how do I learn how to edit reports or how do I set up a new user. But for the day-to-day tasks that need to happen in your org where we've customized the system to you, our training materials will make sure that your users know how to go through each step of those processes and be successful in the system. We then will perform one training walking your team through those materials and making sure they understand how to do their job. And then your team will go out and train the rest of your team. This train the trainer approach is common and it helps minimize the amount of consulting hours you spend on our time, since training is something that can usually be handled internally. If you prefer that we handle more of the training, you can pay for that time by the hour. We can continue to spend additional time on sessions with future employees or with larger groups at your company.